Good morning, YouTube. It's Saturday morning, it's the weekend finally, and we're going to be going on a dental course today. It's a two-day course in the West End, Toronto. It's the second part of the 365 Digital Dentistry Mastership Program given by Dr. Marko Tadros. He comes all the way from Atlanta. Big shout out to Atlanta. I have a few friends from there. This program is going to be all about digital dentistry. We're going to be learning about 3D wax ups, 3D printing, as well as planning and software. And so this is going to be a really neat topic in dentistry, and it's going to be the future of dentistry. It's not going to be like any other video unless we show off a pair of kicks and rock them. So today what we're going to be rocking is a pair of Jordan 1s. I got a little bit of red in my shirt here, and so let's grab these kicks. So here's the Jordan 1 here. This is sort of black and red colorway, also known as the bread colorway. So let's rock these. Let's get going. Grab my computer and let's head out to the West End, Toronto. So this weekend was so much fun learning about digital dentistry. Thanks so much for coming with me and checking out Module 2 of 365 Digital Dentistry's Mastership Program. Dr. Tadros came all the way from Atlanta, and he's such a talented prosthodontist, teaching us a different way of perceiving and looking and practicing dentistry in the digital era. He's an excellent educator. He shares his knowledge and expertise, and he gives us all these tips and tricks in digital dentistry. He sheds light on a lot of these products and equipment that he has personally first-hand experience using, and tells it really just how it is. So I would highly recommend the 365 Digital Dentistry's Mastership Program, all these modules, to anyone looking at getting into digital dentistry or wanting to learn more about it. I know I'm going to be going to Atlanta to go check out Module 3 once it's released, and I can't wait for that. Thanks again for coming with me this weekend, and a big shout out to Canadian Dental Implant Network and Mark for making this all possible. It was so much fun. Until next time, peace.